Hey guys, Riley here again. I'm here with another sourdough starter update. So I just got through making some sourdough tortillas. I don't know if I posted that video or not, but now I'm going to go ahead after using most of my sourdough starter. Let's see if I can do this without spilling it. Cool. I've poured some more water in there. I'm gonna scrape the sides and then I'm gonna go ahead and refill it. So like I said, I've already scraped the sides. I'm scraping the sides off right now, but I've already added water. So right now I'm just gonna keep scraping the sides for a sec and then gonna add the flour, and then that's when I'm gonna be officially done and I can recover it. All right, now I've added some flour to it, and it usually helps when I use a butter knife to kind of stir it, because then I can kind of scrape the edges and stuff. But right now, I didn't think I was gonna have enough. Like right now, it's like really soupy. Add another quarter of a cup of flour. And I'm gonna scrape the sides with it. But yeah, this is what you're looking at. Yeah, so like I said, the yeast has been fed and should be perfectly okay. And I'll just leave it sitting out and just a spot that's not too warm or anything, but definitely not cold. I mean, like I said, if like I've said before, if you want to put it in the fridge to kind of uh, you know, buy you some time until you're able to get to it again, you can do that. But when I get through feeding it, I typically try to like keep it out for at least a day, maybe even two, before I actually consider putting it back. And of course, that goes with trying to feed it like at least once or twice within that 1 to 2 day period.